And she said little Uzi so great. Okay, your girlfriend like my drip. Happy birthday to that bitch. You're the one that sucked my dick. Triple S got that. That's the greatest disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over sex. That's why they need me.
Alright, so welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure, and I am here with a hair review for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys more details about it, so I'm gonna be looking down at my phone to make sure I don't forget anything. So first things first, I'm wearing the hair right now. It's on my hair right now, and I've had it on for about 4 days, almost 5 days now. And yeah, so this hair is from Buladou. I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna write it on the screen somewhere. And it's from Amazon. Yes, this hair is from Amazon. This is Amazon hair. Like, yes, this hair is bomb. Okay, and it's from Amazon. So as I was saying, this hair is from Buladou or Buladou hair from Amazon, and it is the Julia hair. I think Brazilian. Hold on, let me go check it real quick to give you guys exactly what I have on my head. But this is the Julia hair. I think this is the Brazilian deep wave or something. I'm not sure, but I will leave the link of the frontal and the bundles in my description box so that you guys could get exactly what I have if you guys are interested. So all the lengths are the same. I got 16-inch frontal and 16-inch bundles, and I got 2 bundles. Can you guys believe that this is 2 bundles? Like, this is 2 bundles. But yeah, so the shipping. So as you guys know, the shipping from Amazon is really quick. I ordered on a Wednesday and I received it on a Friday. So that was, you know, like about 2 days. The hair came with really tight curls, and it was really nice. It did not smell. It was really soft, and you know, it was just really soft. It was gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys like picture of how it looked, because I was so excited when I received it that I didn't even wait to film to show you guys exactly, but I took pictures so you guys could have an idea of how it looked like. So yeah, so I went and I turned the bundles and the frontal into a wig because that's what I wanted. And the frontal is bleached right now, but as you guys can see, the parting space is amazing. I have really extra baby hairs right now because I had time on my hands. So yeah, and it looked just like my scalp. When I was bleaching the frontal, literally, like, it bleached really well. 20 minutes tops. The bleach, everything was just done. Like, I didn't have to reapply bleach on the frontal or nothing. It was just, you know, really quick, really easy. Right now I installed the wig on my head, and I went and I glued the front with Got2b glue, and it's the yellow one that I used. You know, I've slept with this, so it's like, you know, I'm telling you, this is good. So what else can I say about it? It does not shed. Like, I mean, it does shed because, you know, it's curly human hair, but like, what I mean by it does not shed, like, I can run my hands through it and look, there's nothing is coming out, and it's like throughout the day I'll get like 2 or 3 strands. But yeah, but I did not cut my bundles, like, so maybe that's why, you know, maybe some people would experience a little bit more shedding, but I did not cut my wig, so nothing is coming out. I like this hair really, like, I really absolutely, like, I am obsessed with it. It is gorgeous. It's really big. As you guys know, I love a lot of volume, so I actually do wear it like this out because I just love it. I did not expect the 2 bundles to be that full. I really did not expect it to be that full at all. Like, the back Do you guys see this? This is 2 bundles in a frontal, like, and it's like, it's flowy, it's bouncy. I just honestly really love this hair. Yeah, so what else can I say about it? I don't know really what else to add. If I were to rate this hair as of now, I would say a 10 out of 10, because like I said, it's really like low maintenance. I'm gonna show you guys how I get it, you know, curly and nice, and you know, the wet look and stuff. But this hair is low maintenance. Okay, the shipping is 2 days. It did not smell when it came. It's really soft. The curls are gorgeous. It's a lot of hair. It has a lot of volume. So like, you know, the shedding is like minimal, if not, you know, like, this is gorgeous hair from Amazon. You know, Buladou hair. It's amazing. And no, I'm not getting paid for this video. This is honestly my honest opinion, and I'm probably gonna be wearing this hair until my birthday, because I just love it. I know I want to do like something crazy for my birthday hair, you know, obviously, but like, this is my hair for the winter because I just love it. I wish that I got it, you know, a little longer, but I definitely will go back. I definitely would recommend this company. After wearing the hair for about a month or two, I'll definitely come back to give you guys an update and my final thoughts. But as of now, this hair is a 10 out of 10 for me, and I just love it. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys how I define the curls and get them to look really nice and beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. So yeah, so pretty much all you're gonna need is a spray bottle with some warm water and some conditioner or some kind of leave-in in it. So this is it. A big brush, I don't know what these brushes are called, but you guys know what they are, or like a denim brush. I couldn't find a denim brush right now, but you know, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use any brush so you guys can see like how defined these girls are. And I'm using this little hair clip thingy just to clip it back so that, you know, the hair could be in place. So okay, so I'm just gonna separate the hair into like little sections so that I can just, you know, get more defined curls. And excuse me on the arms, I'm gonna have on. But yeah, so this is what the clip coming for, handy for. Okay, so I'm separating this into 2 sections like this. If you guys have like a towel or something, you guys could use that, but I don't mind. And I'm just spraying. And I start from the bottom to the top, like so. And like, it's already starting to, you know, form the curls. I don't want to really drench the hair with water, but I want to make sure it's like saturated enough. You guys see this? From this to this? How lovely. Do you guys see this? Beautiful, beautiful curls, and they're soft. And then I'm just doing this all over my head pretty much. I'm spraying it, you know, I'm gonna part the hair, spray it, and then brush it out, and then that's it. And I forgot to tell you guys that you know how the back sometimes like it be matting and stuff. This doesn't do that for me. Like it did not do that, and I do not like it did not do that for me. So that's pretty much all we're gonna have to see. Look at that. You don't even have to do much. Like I didn't even add that much water, and look at these curls. This is amazing. If you like those people that don't like frizzy hair or big hair like I do, all you have to do after this is either add a little bit of like gel and stuff, and it will stay like this. If not, just leave it and it's gonna dry and it's gonna get a little bit big. And since I'm using this bigger, look at that, just as it touches water, look how it's just You see the waves? You guys see the little waves that it's doing? And I didn't even brush it yet. And you guys can see the curls coming back. Do you guys see this? I don't think you guys understand how lovely this hair is. This is from Amazon. I will not stop saying that this is from Amazon because gosh, like, this is so low maintenance. This is low maintenance hair. Like, all you need is water and some conditioner or some kind of leave-in, and look at this gorgeousness. Let me get closer. I don't think you guys can see. Do you guys see this? Hey, look at this. Gorgeous hair. You guys see these curls? Like, this is lovely. I don't think you guys understand. Like, this is 10 out of 10 for me. I don't know if I've told you guys this before or if you guys are new, but I am what you would call a lazy natural, which means that I do not like to do my hair, okay? I just wash it and braid it and I'm done. And this, just spray water and come on now. What more do you want? And it's not shedding and it did not smell. And then, do you guys see the volume that it gave? Like, this is pretty much it. This is all I do. Yeah, this is all I have to say. So, okay, so I had to call my best friend real quick. Forever. And yo, I forgot to tell you guys, but this hair is only, drum roll please, it's only 140. 140. Listen, I just called her and told her about it, right? Because I haven't seen her in a while. She's trying to go order it right now. I'm telling y'all. Look at that.
That shit lit. Don't sleep on Amazon, you heard?
I can't. Because she's the one that be ordering hair on Amazon. You be ordering stuff on Amazon. I never done that. And
you be the one to be like, you can trust Amazon? Like, you don't know if you can trust Amazon?
I don't know if I can trust Amazon, but I definitely trust Buladou hair. That's all I'm gonna say. So we both gotta be rocking this, like right here. So I do drawing it, so it just gets kind of like this big instead of like this. But that's really about it.
My fault, we're gonna try that again.
Wait! Yo, I thought it was you with a mustache.
You're disrespectful.
If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or check the description box. I will try to leave as much information that I have on there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. Bye.
Just to know that I got